Yes, a very good morning to all of you. So let us start with today's lecture. Exercise 13.8 we were doing. Question number 10th, I think we were doing. 9th we have left. We were thinking that we will continue tomorrow because lesser time was there. Right? चलिए let us continue with question number 9 then. Because 10th अभी हमने शुरू भी नहीं किया था, तो let us go in the sequence. Question number 9th we are going to start with. Right? Let us read out this statement. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with radius r dash and surface area s dash. He says, find the radius r dash of the new sphere and the ratio of the surface area, that means S and S dash, of the two spheres. Let us firstly understand what the statement is. What he says, there are small spheres, each of radius r, and they are melted to form a bigger sphere. So there are two things that we have to keep in mind, that what are the dimensions of the old sphere and what he is saying about new sphere. So old sphere radius equal to small r and new sphere radius is equal to r dash. This is given to us that the spheres which we are going to melt, they are of radius r each, and sphere which we are going to get after melting these, its radius is r dash. Right? Now the same thing that we have discussed earlier also. Suppose we are melting a candle and we are putting the wax of that candle after melting in small diyas, then volume of the candle will be same as that of the diyas that we have filled with the candles. Same as we are having a jug full of water. Suppose we are filling that water in the 6 glasses, that water is filling the 6 glasses. That means volume of that jug is equal to the volume of the 6 glasses. Same here. If 27 spheres, they are used to make a bigger sphere, they are melted to form a bigger sphere, then volume of those 27 spheres, that will be equal to the volume of one single sphere. This is a concept behind which is working in this question. That should be very, very clear to you, that when we are converting one solid to the another solid, the volume remains the same. And here the conversion of solid, which is not the one sphere only, there are 27 such spheres which are converted to the bigger sphere. So it means volume of these 27 spheres will be equal to the one single sphere. सबसे पहले तो हमें ये चीज पता होनी चाहिए. Afterwards, firstly we will find the volume of this old sphere and the volume of the new sphere. Let us find. Let us suppose it to be V1. This is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Old sphere volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. No need to put the value of pi, because when it is the concept of equality of two things or the ratio of two things, no need to put pi. Pi will get cancelled itself. Right? Let us take V2 to be the volume of the new sphere. This is 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. So volume we have find out. Then according to the concept, 27, what we will write it thoroughly, that as 27 spheres are melted to form a single sphere, to form a new sphere, लिख लो, to form a new sphere, therefore volume of 27 spheres is equal to volume of new sphere. This is the concept that we are using, that when the thing is melted to form the another thing, then that means we are converting one solid in the form of the another solid, the volume will remain the same. Chaliye. So this is V1, volume of the old sphere, right? ऐसे 27, अगर एक का वॉल्यूम 4/3 पाई का आर क्यूब है, तो 27 का वॉल्यूम कितना होगा? 27 टाइम्स V1 is equal to V2. 27 old spheres volume is equal to 1 new spheres volume, right? Let us replace the value. This is 27 into 4/3 pi r cube. This is equal to 4/3 pi r dash cube. ठीक है? So this is 4/3 pi, 4/3 pi. It is cancelled. ठीक है? दोनों साइड से 4/3 pi हमने कैंसिल कर दिया. Now we want to find r dash. We don't know what is the relation between these two. यहाँ से simplify करेंगे आगे. Because first part is find the radius of the new sphere. That means this is our target. R dash is to be find out. So let us take 27 as it is, and r dash cube denominator as r cube. This r cube shifted to the another side becomes a denominator, and we are having 27 is equal to r dash cube over small r cube, right? So here we are using the concept of exponent. A cube over b cube means a over b whole cube. We have learned it in the exponent that when we are having one number's power or over the another number's power, same power, then that power can be given to the whole number. So further, how we will write it? So we are having 27 is equal to r dash over r, its whole cube, by using the concept of exponents, laws of exponents, right? Cube shifts to the another side will become cube root of 27 r dash over r. So further we are having 27 cube root is 3. So 3 is equal to r dash over r. So r dash is equal to 3r. So हमारे पास r dash की वैल्यू आ गई 3r. So this is what we want to find, radius of the new sphere. It comes out to be the 3 times of the radius of the old sphere. 3 times of the radius of the old sphere is the radius of the new sphere. Cube root of 27 बच्चे, जैसे स्क्वायर रूट होता है वैसे ऐसे कर लो. अगर आपको यहाँ से नहीं इतना समझ आ रहा तो क्यूब रूट मीन्स इसकी 3, और क्यूब रूट में से whenever the number comes out, it comes out as a single. So 3 comes out. So r dash is equal to 3r. This was the first part, that find the radius of the new sphere. Let us see what the second part is. Find the ratio of S and S dash. Right now we have read out the statement. Let me ask from Akhilesh. Akhilesh, unmute yourself, Akhilesh. Akhilesh. Baljinder Kaur. Baljinder Kaur. बच्चे unmute yourself. Divita. Divita. Divita.
Yes, ma'am.
Divita, what is S and S dash here? Capital S and S dash, they stand for what?
Ma'am.
Speak up. Do you have book with you, Divita? Divita, do you have book? No response. Garima, Garima. Yes, Garima. Garima, unmute yourself. गरिमा, कनिष्का, roll number 14, unmute yourself. हाँ जी, Joseph Group, you tell. You are willingly raising the hand.
मैम सरफेस एरिया
S surface area.
मैम यस
का surface area.
स्फीयर का
तो S dash
दूसरे स्फीयर का
दूसरे
जिसका रेडियस r डैश है
S सरफेस एरिया स्फीयर का, S डैश सरफेस एरिया दूसरे स्फीयर का, S सरफेस एरिया ओल्ड स्फीयर का और S डैश सरफेस एरिया न्यू स्फीयर का. Anyhow, you have told the right answer, but just the way is different. So we are having S as surface area of the old sphere and S dash as the surface area of the new sphere. So we want to find their ratios. So let us firstly find them individually.
Yes, ma'am.
मैं म्यूट कर लूं
स्फीयर का सरफेस एरिया का यू टेल. स्फीयर का होता है टोटल सरफेस एरिया, कोई सरफेस एरिया बोलते हैं. हाँ जी केशव विकी, व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर सो मेनी डेज यू हैव कम ना. दिस इज द लॉस ऑफ मिसिंग द क्लासेस, राइट ना. चलिए
मैं म्यूट कर लूं.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल. सरफेस एरिया अब लिखो आप ओल्ड स्फीयर, देन न्यू स्फीयर. S surface area formula is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square is the formula. Keshav, please mind it.
Ma'am, am I audible to
S
you?
dash surface area of the new sphere. This is 4 pi r dash square. 4 pi r dash square. चलिए r dash की वैल्यू अभी अभी हमने फाइंड की. What was the value of r dash? Right now we have find out 3r. Replace it by 3r. This is 4 pi into 3r square. So S dash is equal to 4 pi into 9r square. So S dash 36 pi r square. This is S 4 pi r square. S dash 36 pi r square. And we want to find the ratio of S and S dash. It is very much clear that whenever we are to find the ratio, what is written first, that is to be taken as numerator. Right? So here clear cut S is first, so we'll find the ratio like S over S dash. This is 4 pi r square over 36 pi r square. Pi r square get cancelled. 4 9s are 36. S over S dash 1 over 9. That is 1:9. So the answer for the ratios of the surface areas of the old sphere and the new sphere comes out to be 1:9. चलिए note it down. So one question is left of exercise 13.8, that is question number 10. Let us start that. चलिए question number 10. Here we are going with question number 10. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 mm. Spherical shape में we are having capsule of medicine, right? And its diameter is given to be 3.5 mm. How much medicine in mm he says fine. How much medicine is needed to be filled in the capsule? इस कैप्सूल में कितनी मेडिसिन फिल की जा सकती है? सेम लाइक एज वी फिल gassy balloon, we fill gas in the balloon and helium gas will fill in the balloon. Prakshit is saying, चलिए, तो it means to an extent we can fill the gas in the balloon. After the extent, if after a certain limit the gas is filled, the balloon is burst, right? एक निश्चित डायामीटर है बैलून का जिसके हिसाब से एक निश्चित वॉल्यूम है, certain volume is the balloon is having, according to which the amount of the gas can be filled in the balloon. इसी तरह से in this capsule, according to the diameter, there will be certain volume of this capsule according to which the medicine will be filled in the capsule. So quantity of the medicine that can be filled in the capsule will definitely be its volume. So write down diameter is equal to 3 mm. जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना, when they pump up the balloon, so they don't know that this much air should be 3.5. They don't know that this much air should be pumped in. They pump in the air and they don't know the balloon burst out, और फिर वो रोने लग जाते हैं कि ये क्या हो गया, डर जाते हैं. So diameter is 3.5 mm. हम सबके साथ once in a while this incident happen ना, 3.5. So radius is equal to 3.5 over 2. Let it be 2 as it is. No need to divide. Cutting हो जाएगी. So 3.5 over 2 we are taking it, right? चलिए. So quantity of medicine. Joseph, your voice is disturbing us. Please make your setting accordingly so that you should not disturb the whole class. So quantity of medicine filled in the capsule is equal to volume of the capsule. And this is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is spherical in the shape. Most of the capsule you might have seen, they are in the cylindrical shape, one hemisphere here, another hemisphere there. But here it is a spherical capsule, right? So accordingly the formula will be used. So we are having 4 by 3 pi r cube, and which is further equals to 4 by 3, 22 by 7, and r was 3.5 cube, right? So this is further equals to 4 by 3, 22 by 7, and then 3.5 over 2, how many times? 3 times. This get cancelled, 2 2s are 4, 4 in the numerator, denominator get cancelled, 2 11s are, this is 0.5. So we are having 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 over 3. Do the calculation side by side, all of you, those who are sitting at home and those who are listening to me right now face to face. Do the calculation. So we are getting it to be, this is 5.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 over 3. This is 12.25. हाँ जी, 3.5 को 5 से किया, 7 कट विथ 3.5, 0.5 लिखा मैंने. 7 5s are 35. I just cancel them according to the table of 7. हाँ जी केशव, रिक्की, इको. So 35 into 35, 35 5s are 175, 35 3s are 105 plus 17, 12.25. Check the calculation side by side, do it side by side. It should be matched, yours and mine. Arman has something to say. हाँ जी Arman. Yes Arman, you
मम्मा आंसर आ गया.
शो अभी कर रहे हैं, आंसर आएगा अभी. 50 till this we have done the calculation rightly. Let us continue. 55 into 12.55 मल्टीप्लाई करो, कितना आएगा? 275, 110 plus 27, this will be 137, 110 plus 13, 123,
5.
55 plus 12, that will be 67. 637.75 divided by 3 will give you the answer. Rest of the calculation you will do. 3 से divide कर देना इसको, you will get the right answer. Right? Anjirman, what is the answer?
22.45833.
22 point
45833, so on.
22.45833, so on. You will do the division and get the right answer. So with this, we have finished the syllabus for PT3, which includes linear equations in two variables, and then coming to Heron's formula, and then area of parallelogram deleted. Then we have done surface area volume. We take it up from the next unit of your syllabus, because one chapter was deleted, so we introduced one in this one. And one more chapter, that is probability, that we have done in the previous term, that will also be included in this term, that is PT3, right? So you have to do 4 chapters in this term, that is linear equations in two variables, then Heron's formula, surface area and volume, and then probability, right? So tomorrow we'll start with the revision. I think probability we have done so far, so we should take that chapter firstly, right? Since long we have done it, so these 4 chapters will be there in PT3, right? So from tomorrow we'll start with the revision of probability, that is a part. Chaliye. Now still we are having 15 minutes, so meanwhile let us do certain examples of this chapter which will enhance your knowledge about surface area and volume. Chaliye. So I am doing 232 page, example number 16 I am teaching. 232 page, example number 16. So please open up your books at 232 page, example number 16. Yes? It hardly matters. The cutting could be in the different manner. If it is possible, answer will remain the same. Okay. Question number 16. Monica has a piece of canvas whose area is 551 meters square. Piece of canvas Monica is having, and its area is, area of canvas, it is given to be 551 meters square. Right? She uses it to have a conical tent made with a radius of the base as 7 meters. What she wants, what she is doing, she is using this material of canvas to form a conical tent. वो इस मटेरियल से एक कॉनिकल टेंट जो है वो बनाना चाह रही है. She is with the base radius as 3 meters. Radius of the base she is taking to be 3 meter. Further he says, oh sorry, it is 7 meter. Further he says, assuming that all the stitching margins and the wastage incurred while cutting amounts to approximately 1 meter square, when she is making the tent from this quantity of the canvas, some of the cloth and some of the canvas, it is wasted in margins, in cuttings and all that. And how much has been wasted? 1 meter square cloth, 1 meter square of the canvas, it has been wasted in such kind of task. Then he says, find the volume of the tent that can be made with it. इस tent को जो उसने बनाया है, we want to find the volume of this tent, right? Tent is in the shape of cone, and volume of the cone, Parikshit, what is the volume of cone? Formula. What is the volume of cylinder? What is the curved surface area of cylinder then? वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. दैट मीन्स दिस हमें यहाँ पहुंचना है. दिस वी वांट टू फाइंड. So for this we need two things. One, we need radius that is given. Another, we need height that is not given. Right? तो height जो है वो हमारे लिए यहाँ पे question mark है. If r is given, h is to be find out. इसका मतलब एक और चीज हमें पता होनी चाहिए. r is known to s, h is to be find. Then one more thing we should know. पूछते हैं किसी से, दिविता से पूछते हैं. दिविता, please unmute yourself. दिविता? नो. कनिष्का? कनिष्का, unmute yourself. गरिमा?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Bhumika.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhumika. अच्छा. Bhumika, say, my question
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
we want to find h. R is given,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
one
Am
thing
I
more should be
audible?
given, only then we can find h. What that thing is?
Ma'am, pi.
Pi? Pi का तो h के साथ कोई नहीं.
Oh, sorry. Volume.
वॉल्यूम तो हमें निकालना है. That is based on h. Wrong answer. हाँ जी, जोसेफ रूप जी, you are raising hand. You are very much willing to give the answer. You tell. Joseph Rup, you tell. Yes.
Ma'am,
Joseph,
please
आप बता
once
सकते हो?
repeat the question.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Bhumika.
हाँ जी,
I'm
जोसेफ
not
रूप आप
clear.
बताइए. Just wait.
मैम
Yes.
एक्चुअली मैंने ये पूछना कि क्वेश्चन क्या था, मैं पानी पी रहा था, कुछ समझ नहीं आया.
H we want to find. R is given. One more thing should be
Okay.
given to find H.
चलो हमारे पास क्या है, मैंने कुछ साथ किया. एल चाहिए हमको मैम.
बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल ठीक आना. Absolutely right that we need L as well because we done the relation between L, H and R.
Nice.
If out of L, H and R, two things are known. Only Joseph Rup is so happy as if he has won 1 crore question of Crorepati. This should be the happiness. Only then we can come forward to face the challenges of life. This should be the happiness. Okay. चलिए. So as Joseph Rup is saying that R is with us, H is to be find out, then L should be there. And from where we should find L? L will be find out by using this information that the area of the canvas is 551. Now, when canvas is used to make the tent, 1 meter square of the canvas is wasted. So let me write. So canvas used to make the tent is equal to 551 minus 1. This is 550 meters square. This canvas is used and 1 meter square is wasted. Now what is this? If this is used to make the tent, if with this much quantity of the canvas the tent has been made, then 550 according to the formula, what it will become? Bhavnesh?
Curved surface area.
Definitely it will be the curved surface area, because if it is used, if it is converted in the form of the cone, then this will be regarded as curved surface area. That means we are having the curved surface area as 550 meters square. This is the curved surface area, and this is the concept behind that. You should know that the canvas which is used to make the cone will be treated as curved surface area. And what is the formula for the curved surface area? Garima? Cone's curved surface area. Formula Mishti. Mishti. Baljinder Kaur. Ruhani Sharma. Imani.
Pi r L.
Yes, yes.
Pi r L.
Pi r L will be the.
Pi r L.
बिल्कुल ठीक बोला आपने. Pi r L will be the curved surface area of the cone. So write the formula below. this is curved surface area of the cone, that is pi RL. So we are having pi RL is equal to 550. Let us replace the value of pi and r and let us find out L, which is our target. 22 by 7 into 7 into L, 550. 7 get cancelled. L is equal to 550 over 22. This comes out to be 25. So L 25 meters. So slant height of the cone which we want to have to find out height, that comes out to be 25 meter. So now let us use a relation between L, H and R which will give us the value of H. LHR, ये LHR में रिलेशन दक्ष पावा से पूछते हैं. हाँ जी दक्ष बताइए फटाफट से, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन स्लांट हाइट, हाइट एंड रेडियस? दक्ष पावा, slant height, radius, and Kirti, you tell. Kirti, you tell the relation between LH and R. No reaction. Harsimran Kaur,
हाँ जी
Harsimran Kaur,
ठीक है.
tell the relation between L, H and R. Kanishka,
नहीं मम्मा
Kanishka,
यार
nobody is ready to tell them. चलिए फिर हम अपने सामने जो लोग बैठे हैं उन्हीं से पूछते हैं. आप बताओ विनीत, व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन एल एच एंड आर?
यस मैम.
एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर. वो हार्डली मैटर्स,
यस मैम.
इक्वेशन याद रखो, उसको ही टर्म्स को इधर उधर शिफ्ट करके कर सकते हो. सो वी आर हैविंग एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द रिलेशन दैट वी हैव यूज्ड इन एल एच एंड आर. When I asked you to unmute, you have to unmute. Very obvious. When you were sitting in the class, teacher is asking you some question, then you have to reply. Either you say, "No, ma'am, I don't know the answer." बिल्कुल चुप करके बैठना तो फिर it's not good at all. So L we just have find out 25. H is to be find out and R is 7. 625 is equal to H square plus 49. Plus 49 shifted on another side will become minus 49. So this we are having as 576. Square shift on the another side will become square root. So H is equal to square root of 576 and square root of 576 is 24 meter. So H comes out to be 24 meter. That was needed to find out the volume of the cone. So let us find the volume of the cone by using the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume of the tent, this is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Replacing the value 1 by 3, 22 over 7, r square, 7 square, h 24. Solve it and you will get it to be 1232 meters square. 1232 meters square is the answer for the volume of the conical tent. 1232 meters square. मैथ्स के पीरियड में जो टाइम पूछते हैं या टाइम देखते हैं ना, उनका टाइम खराब चलना शुरू हो जाता है. सो मत पूछा करो मैथ्स के पीरियड में टाइम, और ना ही देखा करो, ठीक है ना. चलिए, लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल नंबर 11, पेज नंबर 227. 227 पेज, एग्जांपल नंबर 11.
सारे किन्ने आ मेरे मम्मा ने किन्ने आ दिल लगे मेरा तो दिल दबे.
ये एक्चुअली पहली बार पढ़ रहे हैं ना मेरे पास, इनको इसलिए पता नहीं है, बाकी 9th को तो पता ही है कि मैथ्स के पीरियड में टाइम ही पूछते होते हैं, राइट जो स्वरूप। चलिए, ए वॉल ऑफ लेंथ 10 मीटर was to be built across an open ground, एक ग्राउंड है उसके आसपास एक वॉल बनानी है, ठीक है। हाइट ऑफ द वॉल इज 4 मीटर,
हेलो हेलो
height is 4 meter, length is 10 meter, thickness means breadth 24 centimeter. Another dimensions are centimeter, so let us convert them into the centimeter. H 400 centimeter, L 100 centimeter and breadth 24 centimeter. इस dimension की जो wall है, it has to be created around the playground. Further he says, if the wall is to be built up with the bricks, ये तो हुई wall की dimension. This wall is to be built with the bricks. Chalo, we'll continue tomorrow as per the time schedule. This is all about with today's lecture. So we'll continue tomorrow. Stay safe.